In this video, we'll be reviewing how to create a purchase order. So to create your purchase order, simply go to Inventory, then Purchase Orders, click Add New, select the supplier in which you would like to order from. Down here, additionally, you'll be able to adjust your order type to order only retail products or only professional. By default, it will order both. And you can also sort your list by product name, SKU number, order quantity, or cost. If you would like to add additional items, you can search by SKU or product name and select which items to add to your list. The order quantity will appear here. If you would like to adjust the amount in which you plan to order, you can do so by just clicking and adjusting the amount. Oops, sorry about that. And if you need to adjust the cost, like maybe when you tell your representative that you plan to order 10, they say, oh, you get a deal on those that instead of $10, they're $9.50. You can adjust your costs. That'll be really helpful for your accountant down the road. So you can update that information, or if there is a product that you choose not to order, you can just use this minus sign and it will remove it. And then once you have your purchase order, you can go ahead and click Save. And you can also click back on your purchase order. I could have done this before, but you could also print it if you want to save it as a PDF and email it to your representative. That's an option as well. And that is how you create a purchase order. Thank you for watching.